get paid high as a life coach. So this is exactly we will be covering in this video, so stay tuned with me till the end of this video. So before that, welcome back to my channel, a perfect place for coaches to master their mindset, to master their content creation, and to build a successful coaching business. I'll be sharing with you the exact 3 things you can do right now to get paid high as a life coach, where you can stop lowballing yourself with those free sessions or lower paying sessions. So stay tuned with me till the end of this very video. Life coaches, you know what? You fulfill all the criteria where you are entitled to get paid high as a life coach. You have years of experience, you have invested your time and money on all those expensive certifications, and the most important is that you have very powerful transformative coaching skills in place, but somewhere you are not aware that how to command higher prices. Being in the coaching industry for more than 2 years, and after working with several coaches, what I found is that there are so many coaches out there with lot of credibility and where they are challenged to command higher prices. So not to worry, life coaches, this is the video where you can up level your game as a life coach, where you can command higher prices and sell with ease. So stay tuned with me till the end of this very video. Life coaches, you can up level your game as a premium coach, where you can command higher prices by doing these 4 things. Number 1 is your mindset. What do you think these other coaches selling the same transformation which you have, and they are charging somewhere between 1 to 3k or even more? So what do you think is the magic formula they are applying? So well, there is no magic formula. They just fix their mindset around their pricing based on their time, experience, and the powerful transformative coaching skills they have in place. So the most important thing is they believe in their coaching. So well, there is going to be a secret in my second tip, where you can command premium prices confidently without having any fear. Number 2 is stop being a complete solution. So I'm a life coach. I can help you with your career. I can help you with your business. I can help you with your personal life. I can help you find abundance. So this is the big mistake life coaches make, where they struggle to get visible and command higher prices. You must have heard the example of generalist and specialist, where specialists are paid higher based on the specific big solution they give to a specific big problem which their ideal client want badly. So distinguish yourself from other life coaches by being a specialist, where you are visible and command higher prices. So you know why people are ready to pay you that premium price? Because you are giving the solution to their biggest problem they are facing each day. So basically you are selling what they want on urgent basis. Number 3 is have your USP based on your ideal client journey. So what I mean by this is that when you make the life of your ideal client easier, help them achieving their goals faster, removing their pain points, that is your USP. To make you understand, I'm giving you my example. My ideal clients are either they are getting started and they have no idea that how to get clients, or they have already invested in courses where they lack one-on-one support. They are creating content, they have already invested their money on various certifications, but again no clients. So what I did, I developed a content strategy that helped them getting leads, queries, and even ready to invest clients without wasting their time. So what I did, I removed 2 of their biggest pain points and backed up with a content strategy that helped them getting clients with predictability without wasting their time. 2 of their biggest pain point, that the guesswork they are dealing with and the time they were wasting because they are not getting clients. So same way, you have to create a USP which your ideal client can identify that these are the top pain points I am going through, and thereby you can command higher prices because of you're cutting the pain points of your ideal client. Number 4 is build your brand. So you must have heard this many times from many people on the net, that build your brand, but you find it difficult to hit that balance between your 9 to 5. So why do you think building a brand is difficult? Building a brand is all about being you, being authentic. And I want to ask all the people, all the authentic people out there, that is being authentic difficult for you? Just think. You just have to hold camera, you just have to record 5 lines that what you struggle through, what you have been through, how you feel about it, and how you overcome, and how you can help others doing the same. It's simple as that. Any hurdle on your way cannot stop you from helping yourself and your people out there. This is the magic you spell, where you build your unique brand, where you occupy the space in the heart of your people out there, where people love to work with you. So this becomes your second USP, where people are ready to work with you because of your uniqueness, because of your authenticity. So again, build your brand and command higher prices. So these were the 4 things you can apply right away, where you can get paid high as a life coach. So I'm recapping everything. So number 1 is fix your mindset around your pricing based on the time, money and energy you invested on yourself. Number 2 is don't be a complete solution, be a specialist. Number 3 is have your USP based on your ideal client journey, where you distinguish yourself from all other coaches out there. Number 4 is build your unique brand, where people want to work with you. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notification about my latest videos all about coaching. Get paid high. Hope it helped, where people want to work with you, where people want to work with you.